Hey guys, it's me, Emily. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a shopping video. And today I'm here with Alex, and we are going to be looking for just like some doll clothes and like doll accessories, or like my doll for my reborns. And yeah, guys, so we're on Walmart, and sorry if you guys can't see this. I am my webcam isn't, or my camera's not showing us, so sorry. So we're gonna search Nuck nipples.
Emily, this is.
Okay, so I have a sippy cup, and if we just get like, well, like a Nook sippy cup, and like if we just get like a Nook nipple for it, then we can just replace it.
Yeah, I
have. Oh shoot! The one that I wanted is out of stock.
And it has to be under $22 exactly.
Yes, because that's all the money that I have.
Yeah. And yeah.
I don't really want 3 bottles. I'm good. Okay, let's see if there's any good nipples for it.
Yeah, and just so you know, guys, I'm playing Bloxburg.
Yes, Alex is playing Bloxburg. She is working on her house.
Yeah.
Is it this one? This is a 2-pack. I don't want the 2-pack. It's $4.
Okay, that's not bad.
It's not bad. We're gonna do a slow flow.
It's 18, so then you'll have $18 left. I'm kidding.
So we're just gonna put that in the cart, and then we're gonna search cheap baby girl clothes.
And we might get the matching outfits. We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
It depends on how much money they are. So.
Yeah, so we're gonna set the price.
For clothes, I would say
we're gonna do it from 0 to 10. 0 to 10,
and then yeah, but it has to be 0 to 3 months because the girls are 0 to 3 months.
Okay, those onesies are cute. I mean sleepers.
Well, maybe we could try to find them like the outfit like Andriana has, like that little romper.
Yeah. Oh, we also need to search free shipping.
Oh yes. Yeah, we're cheapskate. Actually, no, we're not cheapskate mothers, but Emily has a budget, and I also can buy some clothes if I want to. I just have to ask my mom. But since Emily has the money, she's just gonna, go.
We're just gonna take a peek.
Yeah.
See what they have to offer.
Yeah. Yes.
They have a bunch of socks.
I want those like little booty, like the shorts that Andriana has with like that little. Yeah, I love that. Remember? But it wasn't for free. Or was it for
They have a bathrobe. We don't need a bathrobe. Oh, they have a $14 for jean shorts.
No, that's like half the budget.
There's so many stuff for like older babies.
Oh yeah.
Like no. We're gonna search 0 to
3 months.
2, 3 months. I spelled mouth. Excuse me. That one looks like a boy. Oh, it's a neutral.
Oh, hell no.
Okay.
It's girls.
We're gonna set it to 0 to 10 again. 0 to 10. I put 0 to 0 by accident. Zero to 10. Go. There we go. Those rompers are cute. That's cute. There's so much like cute stuff that's like designer, basically.
I'm stressed.
Oh, the pineapple romper is adorable. For $8? I don't think so.
I don't think so. That adds up to $16 because it's actually your budget, so no.
Okay, guys, so. Okay, sorry about that, guys. We might have to go on to Amazon, guys.
Well, you're on Walmart, so what are you doing on there?
It's okay. We're gonna search onesies. Baby girl one.
Search two-piece outfits.
Oh, I found the one that you have, but I think you have to pay for the shipping because I've already tried that one. It's not good. We need a good deal here. Oh, I found the sleeper that you gave me. Let's see if they have a different color. The clouds one is super cute. Oh, it says free 2-day delivery on $35+ orders. I don't think so.
$35 too much. This isn't stressful. I don't like it.
Oh, that outfit's cute. For $10, I don't think so.
I don't think so. $10 is a little too much.
That's cute. Oh, but it's not in their size. They have a Gerber baby girl or organic newborn clothes essentials shower gift set for $44.
Huh?
Huh?
It's like $44.
Uh-huh.
When I tell you, that is just ridiculous.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's cute. For $12? I don't think so.
I don't think so. We
This
literally have her on
this
the door.
guys this video guys will probably have to be split up into 2 or more parts.
Literally.
Because it's definitely gonna take us a while. Sorry guys if you think we're being cheap, it's just because we have a budget. Okay, that could work. Let's see this. Of course, it's not in our size. I have pants. Oh, that's cute. $10? I don't think so. That's cute, but let's see. 3 to 6 months is too big.
Way too big.
$13 for that? It is cute.
Yeah, but it's gonna last.
That outfit's cute.
Yeah.
Let's add this outfit to the cart. Let's see what else is there, guys. Oh, the delivery costs $5. I don't think so.
Heck no. You guys really think we're gonna be spending tons of money? Heck no. Because we on a budget. And if it's really, really expensive, but we really, really like it, I will pay Emily back. But we're not gonna waste money if we don't need to. It's only if we really, really like it.
Yes. We're gonna look for onesies first, and then we're gonna see if there's any shorts that would match. Oh, that bunny outfit's cute. Why is 0 to 3 months not available? Out of stock. Of course it is. Let's try this outfit. Okay, I mean $10 is a little expensive, but
If you really like it, and it's like a 2-piece. If it's like
it's a 3-piece outfit. It has like a cute little elephant onesie, and it has like these purple pants, and then it's kind of like the dinosaur outfit that Lily has.
Show me. Oh, you can order that one, because that one will be.
Oh, heck no, it ain't free delivery. I don't think so.
No.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to say bye now because the video is about to end. So, bye, guys. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe. Bye.